Welcome to the first premiere on the Pterodactyl Desert 5. I've never done one of these premieres before, but because I'm away for camping, why not? Today we are going, and I'll be back for Sunday, so I'll do it, and then the channel update will be out Sunday. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's do some Train Sim World. We're gonna today do a brief run. Today we're gonna do take the Amtrak from Newark Penn to Newark Liberty International Airport. It's just gonna be a brief one, and then tomorrow we're gonna take the CSX, the GP38s, and then we're gonna take it on a run to Newark, from Oak Point Yard to the Hunts Point Terminal and back. And today a while ago, I've actually got this new version of Train Sim World. It's Train Sim World 2020. Here comes the train right now. I'll zoom you in over there. Here comes the ACS-64. There should be a meet with another one, but here he comes. Let's zoom it back out here, and today's unit number is 663, which is meeting. There is the usual 6:20 after meet. Let's walk over to what the other unit is going to be. The other unit is number 627. So there's that. Let's go to our unit 663. So you're gonna take a ride on there. So you can and we're gonna drive one out to we're gonna take a ride to Hunts Point Terminal. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. Let's just go over here before the time goes. Let's enter on this end here so we don't miss it. Oh, barely. Oh, not quite barely, but we got there. I think it would help if I turned on the cab light here. Let's help out these passengers in the coaches. Open up these doors here. It's just my little tradition. Oh, we've gotta go. We've gotta lock up these doors here. So there goes that unit, and here goes ours. Let's get on the road, shall we? So we should be there in 4 minutes. We're gonna make it out there. Let's take a rip. We've already got the headlights on bright, so it's gonna put them on. Gotta put on the ditch lights here. Off the horn, and off we go. Off we go. And because I am away, I am not monitoring the chat at all, so please don't be sad. So I'm not don't be afraid to if you're watching this live, don't be afraid to use the chat for yourself. We should really get on to our unit. So we're doing a little bit over the limit. Yep, speed limit is 70 miles per hour, and let's just go up that. We should be there in 2 minutes. We're supposed to be there in 2 minutes. So let's see if we can make it out. speed limit 70, and we are doing 62 mph. I know again, I should do kilometers an hour, but trains go through miles an hour, and yeah. And 70 miles an hour is what I call forest road speed, because that's the track speed to forest road. Anyway, we're gonna have to slow down here through track switch, because the track speed on the track switch is 40 mph. You don't want to go over, so let's slow down here. 40. Hey guys, the speed limit's now back to 70. Which there's a 90 mph speed limit coming up, but we are getting close to the station, so it's best to not do that. Well, let's just speed up to 60. Let's get to 60 here. Go under the bridge. Dim down these lights here, because it's a bad idea to do that in the station. Well, it's a bad idea to keep the lights on. Let's slow down. Come in. Maybe you need the emergency brakes. But that's not far enough, so we're gonna go further here. And that's stop. Stopping once and for all. So yeah, there's one final look at our ACS-64 number 663. Tomorrow we are going to take a look at our C. We're going to take a run out to, because I'm not going to be active tomorrow. I'm hoping I'll be catching 581 tomorrow. But tomorrow, just in case, whether I did or not. By the way, if you are in the chat right now, if there's any GXR masters out there that would love to tell me what time they get to Clinton around tomorrow, because they go to Exeter tomorrow, I would really appreciate that. Or just tell me in the comments at the end of this video, because the premiere on stream is going to end pretty soon. But actually, we're going to end it after our passengers have loaded here. So, after that's done, we're going to take a look at how we did. And yeah, let's take a look at how we did. We made it on time, and we did not go over the speed limit by a little bit on the first bit, but that's fine. But other than that, thank y'all for watching this video. And please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. See you all in the next video. I'll zoom in a bit for you. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I hope you like these premieres. Tomorrow's premiere should be at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll see you then.